Model: 2016 Mercedes Vito 113CDi Traveliner long wheelbase, extra long Euro 6. Body: white, minibus. Mileage: 181,246. Engine: 2143 CCM 651 136 hpb. Transmission: 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: none runner bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Most of the parts have been removed ready to remove the engine, but customer decided not to carry on. Everything is in the back, no parts are missing. The bumper is not damaged, just not secured correctly. Check mark. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, cruise control, electric